Hello. In today's lecture, we are going to study about the preparation of essential oils which are used in the manufacture of perfumes. So, as you may be knowing, perfumes are basically alcoholic solutions of fragrances, including essential oils. Therefore, essential oils form the base of many perfumes. Typically, a perfume may contain a blend of various fragrances or a mix of various types of essential oils. So, in this lecture, we will see what are the various methods used in the manufacture of essential oils. So, now we'll see how essential oils are prepared. Essential oils are known as essences and they are mainly extracted from plant materials. There are several methods by which this would be possible. If the essential oil is water insoluble, steam distillation would be a preferred process. If the essential oil is unstable to heat, then solvent extraction would be preferred. So there are four methods being enfleurage, distillation, solvent extraction and expression. Now, what is enfleurage? This is actually a very old method usually used in the extraction of volatile oils from scented flowers such as jasmine, tuberose, and orange flower. This process is based on the fact that the volatile oils or essential oils from flowers are soluble in fat. Therefore, these essential oils may be extracted into fat. In order to do so, glass plates are taken which are coated on both sides with a layer of fat, and these plates are supported on a wooden frame. The flower petals to be extracted are then laid onto the surface of the fat or wax on the plates, and these plates are piled on one another. So, with time, the fragrance produced from the petals will be gradually absorbed by the fat. So, every now and then, these flowers are required to be replaced with a fresh supply of petals. So, the process is repeated until the fat on the plates is saturated with the fragrant oil. Thereafterwards, the saturated fat, also known as the pomade, is then removed and extracted with alcohol to obtain the essential oil. This method, however, is not very popular and is no longer used since we have better methods today. So this is a photograph showing how enfleurage is carried out. As you can see, these are the wooden frames. These are the wooden frames which carry the layer of fat which has the petals laid down to it. So here also you have another layer of fat with rose petals strewed onto it. The next method is steam distillation. This method is based on the principle that the volatile oil from the plants or from the herbs can be extracted by using steam. So since steam has a higher boiling point, it will vaporize the volatile oil and will carry it along with it. And eventually it can be separated from water after condensation and collection. So this is often used for the extraction of essential oils which are unaffected by heat and may be insoluble or sparingly water soluble. So in order to do so, steam should be produced by boiling water, and this steam is allowed to pass through the herbs or the plants or the flower petals to be extracted. So the steam is blown directly with the plant material or the plant material is boiled with the water. The vapor mixture that is generated is then condensed in a condenser, and finally the essential oil, see, being insoluble, may be separated from the water in the condensing. Typically, rose oil is produced from this method, and the water in which the rose oil is saturated is used as rose water. So this is a diagram showing steam distillation. So you can see here the source of steam, which is a boiler containing water which produces the steam that goes through this pack of herbs and extracts the essential oil, which along with the water vapor is carried into the condenser. After condensation, the essential oil is separated from the water. The water might still contain some amounts of essential oil dissolved in it, and that can be used as a floral water for other purposes such as flavoring or perfume. So the next method is solvent extraction. This method is often used for the extraction of essential oils which are adversely affected by heat and which cannot be extracted by steam distillation. So typically we use solvents to extract the oil out from the herbs or the plants or the flower sources, and typically we use food grade solvents like hexane or ethanol. This method is best suited for plant materials that have low yields of essential oil, or they may contain large amounts of resins, or they are simply unable to withstand the pressure and the stress of steam distillation. So for this purpose, the plant material is first coarsely powdered or broken down and then mixed with the solvent and allowed to soak for some time. The extract that is separated from the crude residue is known as the concentrate, in which the essential oil would have been dissolved. So this concentrate is also known as absolute and is often used as a perfume base. So the fourth method is expression. This method is preferred for fruit skins, such as the citrus fruit skin, which are rich in essential oils. This is an old method and a simple method, and the advantage of this method is that it does not require heat as in steam distillation, nor does it require the use of solvents as in solvent evaporation method. The skin of the fruit is first separated, and it is separated from the inner white pith as well, and after washing the machines simply grind them, or the peels are squeezed through large rollers. During this squeezing process, the volatile oil is expressed from the skins. Along with it, a small amounts of other materials such as juices or water exudates and waxes may separate. So thereafterwards, from this mixture, the essential oil or the citrus oils can be separated. Since citrus oils are unstable, care should be taken that this method is carried out at low temperatures. You can see in this particular diagram, which shows the how essential oils can be separated from the skins of citrus fruits. Here you can see that in this case lemons or oranges may be placed on a conveyor belt. They are placed on a conveyor belt which moves gradually towards a roller mill, which removes the skin and squeezes the skin, and doing so, exudates containing a mixture of oil, essential oil, water, and other resins may be collected in this bin. Later on, the essential oil is separated from the water mixture and it is then purified. So with this we come to the end of the preparation or manufacture of essential oils for the preparation of perfumes. Thank you.